Hello everyone. So, I just got done eating and it's hot. It's a very, very, very hot day. It's very humid. I'm sweating. We started the cabin build and as you can see, we're getting somewhere slow. Home Depot disappointed me. Messed up my delivery 2 weeks ago. Promised me 5 different times on the phone that I would have plywood when I pulled up here. Guess what? No plywood. Anyway, I just got done eating lunch. I ate all my meat, but I didn't get no pudding. My wife won't give me dessert. She says it'll slow me down or something like that. She said I gotta work for it. Anyway, let's get up from my nap. Come take a look, see what we done. Alright, so we got 24 feet. Level, looking good. 24 feet now, level, looking good. Fixed a couple mistakes along the way. Gotta put the center board. Center board gets 2 2x10s. Sandwiched in between will be pressure treated plywood, which isn't here because Home Depot really screwed me on that one. I'm gonna go ahead and finish off the end caps, and because I gotta do everything a little ass backwards now, and then I'm gonna insert the center once I get my plywood. Yeah, it's coming along. Hopefully I'll have all my stringers and everything good to go, but I can't do any of that without that plywood. So I don't know what's going on with the whole deal, and I was hoping this weekend I would have the entire platform built, you know, top, the entire bottom. I have to go to Home Depot and grab just one sheet so I could do that center beam myself this weekend. I guess that's what I'll do if they fail to give me my delivery. Alright, so the build is on the way. Getting excited. Look, sitting in my house. Sitting in my cabin. Got my dog with me. Got the supervisor with me. And we're getting it done. On with the build. Going to cut this, sandwich it between the 2x10s, nail it all together for a center beam, put the 2 end caps on, and start throwing the plywood on. Well, first we got to do the joist, and start putting the plywood on, and finished with this stage. Will it happen? We have a day and a half left. It's hot. Don't know if it's going to happen, but we're going to try to make it happen. We'll see what happens. You got enough people. coming over, make sure they're aligning the hangers correctly, starting the hangers for them, and then let them hammer in all the rest of the nails. We drop the board. In the meantime, I'm actually going back, cutting more boards, laying them out, and we repeat the process. And then the brackets are actually in the way. The brackets that hold the sides into the cement are in the way. So I'm gonna run a cross piece to put that that floor joist up. Over a little something. Let me show you what's going on. See the floor joists? They're all in. About to drop that one in over there, and this is going to be the last one. Ran into a problem. If you can see there, the bracket coming out of the sonotube is in the way for the joist hanger. So what I've been doing, I'm not sure how to fix that. I'm sure it's not supposed to fall right there, but this is what I did. I actually routed a piece of 2x10. I routed a little bit out so it will go flush against the side. Nailed that in, and then put another piece on, nailed that in, and then I hung the floor joist. I'm not sure if that's how usually people do it, but that's how I did it, and it's pretty solid. It's not going anywhere. We're putting down the bubble foil. One of the channels I subscribe to swears by this stuff. You know, he has a couple videos showing you how to put it down and all this stuff, and you could put the little, make a little air pocket, put two, or just do like I'm doing, sandwiching them between the joist, the floor joist, and the plywood. Now, a lot of comments say this guy's full of shit, but I like to believe them. This would be too easy. And so this winter we'll find out if it's full of shit or if this stuff really works. And my feet are nice and toasty. So I'll let you know. But right now, I'm gonna put it all down. I have some larger sheets of it too. And this is one of the stages of the build. Thanks for watching this episode of Liberty Creek. Next episode, I think we'll start the walls. Please like and share my video. Thanks again. Take care, everyone.